Yes, we ride. Well, I picked a fine time for a ride. The damn bottom has fallen out. But one good thing, I fixed my brakes. See that? I came to a stop. Oh God. I may wait a few minutes, but I don't know if it's gonna let up or not. Oh, it wasn't doing nothing when I rode over here. I come outside and it's raining its ass off. What is he doing? I see you. Yeah, but anyway, I'll see you guys somewhere else. It's a damn fire rocket. It's Fire Farah for anybody watching that doesn't know.
Why are you filming me?
Something to throw in my daily vlog, I guess. Today. Look, it's a little baby.
Hold him for tummy.
Weird thing.
It's called a hamster.
You're scaring him. You're
That's
scaring
a
him.
clothesline.
You're scaring him.
We run away if he even gets on the ground.
Here you go.
I'm gonna hold him.
No, you're
I didn't even get to hold him.
There's a fucking invader in my kitchen. Somebody broke in.
Where's the cutting board and a knife?
I don't have a cutting board.
What the
You have to use a plate. They're up there above the microwave.
I need a big knife. You don't have that either?
Yeah, in this drawer.
I just checked it.
There should be one in there somewhere. So this is what it's come to.
Oh. I don't know where nothing is in this house. Don't live here.
Yes, we're cooking.
Are
She's
you
cutting
live?
up some onions. Hell no.
Oh.
No. I should have been. That'd have been better.
Yeah.
You want to go live?
Why not?
Shit. That will fuck. Ride or die.